Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got something new. Remember a while back when we said we're done with that one box? And we're going to start trying some other stuff? Some of the other stuff showed up. Ready? This just arrived from Hong Kong. I don't know why I said it that way, but yeah. Something new. And it's got a cool box. So that's all coming up right now. Alright, Mary's still making fun of me for the way I said Hong Kong. So, this is the magical pick-me-up. This is what I have to work with. These are the notes I get. This is the magical box. It cost us $69.99 according to my fancy-dancy note, and $12 shipping.
This has to be censored.
Alright. So yeah, this is the box. Nice. Yeah, that's right. Super cute. Alright. Ready for something new? I have no idea what to expect from this one. Ow. I'm fine. First thing is a really cute postcard. That is super cool. Actually, I'll put that in the photo box so you can take a better look. Boop! I really like the style of it. And it's from Hong Kong Disneyland. Dear Mary... Oh! Do you want to come read it? Dear Chris at Disney Dynamicks. Firstly, I'd like to thank you again for supporting me and my new venture. I hope you love your first magical pick-me-up box and the items I selected for you. Wishing you a happy new year, and I hope I can add a little extra magic to your day. Olivia. Very nice. Confetti, but it looks different. They must make confetti different in Hong Kong. See how it flies. Well, we already know it flies across the ocean. Ooh, it's kind of fluffy. I like it. Alright. They're winning points on confetti already. Confetti already. Nice. Oh boy. Winnie the Pooh and Friends. I wonder who filled this one out. Yeah. Alright, so this is collect them all, so it's a blind box. Gopher, owl, hidden, rabbit. Well, hidden's not a character, it's a Roo, Pooh, Eeyore, Tigger, Piglet. I hope we got hidden, whoever that is. Whoa. It's getting aggressive. Oh boy, we're going layers. Oh boy.
Oh shit. Oh.
Oh boy.
Owl.
Oh, where's the scissors? Oh, you're gonna cut Owl's ear off.
No, no. He's heavy.
If not you, then who?
Stupid. Yeah. I've got to stay in there.
It's Owl! Super cute little dude. He's actually kind of stout, like pretty solid. So it says, surprise! Owl, Winnie the Pooh. It comes with a little card. Oh, and that's really it. And there you have it. I'll put it in the boop. one side and then boop on the other side, and then if you want to actually see the boop, I'll hoot. Alright. This stuff really clings to you too. What do we got here? Oh, that's cute. Comes in a little bag like from the park too. So that's cool. So it's from Hong Kong. God! Hong Kong Disneyland. And it is a Dumbo pin. And you can tell that they actually went in the park to get it because they put the tape over the backer. And that is the Hong Kong Disneyland tape. That's really cool. It's red. I don't know what the color codes are, if they are different there than here. I'll have to look into that because I don't have a clue. But the pin itself is, well, here. Boop. Really super cool. And it actually says Hong Kong Disneyland on the pin, and Dumbo is kind of like a secondary layer on top of the flat back. And that is really cool. I like it. I'm just curious to see the back of it. And it does say Hong Kong Disneyland. Nice. That is super cool, and I can't figure out how to get the back on right now. We'll do that later. All right. Oh. It's a Mickey. So this is the cool thing. This is what I was really hoping for by doing... So not only did we order a box from Hong Kong, but we have another one coming from Tokyo. Because their merch is so different from park to park. You would never, I don't think, see this in a park in the States. It's super different. It's, so his gloves are silver, the rest of him is all completely black, every part of him. And it's got the big clippy on it so you can hang it on a bag. It's got a leather Mickey head tag on it. And it says Hong Kong Disneyland 15, so this must be for the, it says plush keychain, but I would hang it on, you know, like hang it on a backpack or something. And then it also has that tape on it so that they know that you bought it in the park and can take it out. That is really cool. I like it. I'll throw that in the photo box. Boop. I don't know, what do you guys think about it? I mean, it's a totally different style than we're used to. Much less cutesy, more... Mickey's a little S&M in this one, but...
I was thinking the wrong initials, though.
He's going out! I think it's awesome, though. I think it's cool. That's what, that's really what we were looking for, is just something different. Look at how floaty this stuff is. Ooh. I like it. It's like a big blue ramen noodle bag. Alright, and it looks like we have a coffee mug. Oh boy. Mary has done lost her mind. This is super cool. I have never seen this before. This must be Tokyo only.
Hong Kong.
Sorry. Hong Kong only. That is amazing. And I've never seen that here. And actually, it is right in the porcelain. It says, or in the ceramic, it says Hong Kong Disneyland. So this is specific. Pooh is a much bigger deal in Hong Kong Disneyland than he is here, and also I think in Tokyo too. They have that really that new trackless ride for Pooh in Tokyo, but basically in general, he's more popular there. Mary's just ahead of her time here in the U.S. I will throw this on the turntable so you can get a better look. It really is super cool. And on top of that, it's purple. Boop. So purple and Pooh together. Having a good day. Today's my Friday. It's New Year's Eve. Got 3 days off. Digging it. So, Yeah, so this one, honestly, I don't know. I can't even tell you what the value would be, because I don't know what their prices are out there. And so I know that I paid 82 including shipping, so 82 to my door, and there's a bunch of cool stuff, and it's stuff that I can't get. So that really adds a lot of value to me. There's so much less risk of getting a double when we start getting stuff from overseas parks, because they do have some stuff that's similar, but for the most part, they do all their own merch. So yeah, I'm excited for the next one, and I think Mary is too, and maybe I'll even get a box in my own name so I can get some of my own stuff.
Damn it.
Besides Creeper Mickey. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's box. I did, and I'm really looking forward to some other new ones we have coming. So like I said, we've got one coming from Tokyo. We also have 3 Pixar boxes that are supposed to be coming from Loot Crate, and I've heard occasionally some bad feedback about Loot Crate, and honestly, we ordered these 3 Pixar boxes like 3 months ago.
But it did say it didn't ship till December.
It did say that the first one wouldn't be here till December, but today's the last day of December and it's not here. So, and I haven't gotten a shipping notification or anything. Hopefully those get here soon, because I'm really interested in those. They looked really cool on the advertisement. Alright. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a ton. And look at our Facebook group, Disney Dynamicks. Click the button right here. Hope you're having a great day.